My name's Wendy Westra. I live on the south coast of New South Wales in Australia. I run a cafe and a business there. I found all the staff and doctors very professional. I was amazed with the extensive amount of work I had to do. They were able to do that in a very limited time span. My experience with dentists in Australia was definitely not very good. I'd had several root canal therapies that didn't work and I had to have the teeth removed. I had nothing at the back on the top anymore and I was chewing with my front teeth, which was not a good thing. I had friends that had been over here several years ago, and then a friend of my husband, he had actually come over and had some implants done, and that was all at the Patong Mallow Clinic. We actually came here for a holiday in Thailand several years ago, and because we had a little card from a friend in Australia, we came and had my husband we rang up from Krabi and he came over. We got an appointment. I didn't actually go that time, but he came in and had a bit of work done. Then we made more trips and came over, and I decided to have some work done too. I knew very little about it really, other than I found it was really good how when I sent an email it was very promptly answered. They answered it really quickly and followed up any questions I had. I highly recommend anyone to come here. It just brings me lots of joy, makes me feel really good, makes me smile. I can really smile pretty good now. I've got real teeth. From my first, 3 years ago, from my first appointment, I saw Dr. Parhat Promontory. Within an hour or so, after taking x-rays, he had written out a bit of a plan and explained very clearly what was going on with my teeth and several choices that I could make, but he did leave it up to me as to which way I'd like to proceed. I didn't feel pressurised in any way to go ahead with any work. It was sort of solely up to me. I highly recommend it to anyone. It's just been really good. I feel like I'm in really good hands. I feel the quality and professionalism is a lot better than anything I've ever experienced in Australia. And price-wise as well, of course, it's fantastic. I definitely will. We've been here, this is 3 times now that I've actually had work here. And from the first time I did bring back some pamphlets. As I run a business, I had a month or so ago, some customers of mine have already come to the clinic here and started treatment as well. And when people see how my lovely teeth are now from what they were, they comment, and then I say, if you're interested, here's a little pamphlet. I tell everybody, I talk about it all the time because it puts me on a big high, makes me feel great.
Thank you.